Hi everyone! Today we're unboxing the Magcubic HY320 mini projector. Right from the start, the box design really caught my attention. It's sleek, compact, and just feels premium. Let's open it up. Here's the projector itself, but we'll get to that beauty in just a moment. First, I want to show you what's included in the box. Inside, there's this elegant little accessory box. First up, the remote control. Very clean design, solid build quality. On the back, it takes two standard AAA batteries. Next, we have the power adapter. It uses a standard DC power plug, so if you've used other small electronics before, you'll feel right at home. We also get not one, but two user manuals in case you like having extra reading material. Alright, now to the main star, the Magcubic HY320 itself. On the side, you'll notice the built-in speaker. We'll be testing the sound quality later. On the top, there's a physical focus wheel for manual adjustments. The mount allows for tilting the projector up and down easily. On the front, the lens looks impressive. Honestly, it feels like a much more expensive projector. On the back, we have the DC input, HDMI port, AUX headphone jack, a USB port for media playback, and the power button. Let's get it powered up. I'm adding two 8AA batteries to the remote, plugging the adapter into the DC input and hitting the power button. The projector powers on quickly, and the brightness is impressive. Rated at 9,500 lumens, which is really good for a mini projector. Now, let's switch to a dark room so you can really see the image quality in action. Here in the menu, we've got several options, but let's go straight into the settings. Switching over to the image mode, you can fine-tune contrast, brightness, color, sharpness, and even the color temperature. This is something you don't always see on budget-friendly projectors, so it's definitely a plus. First, in the sound mode, you can adjust treble, bass, and balance, giving you control over the audio profile. You can also change the system language. Available options include English, Chinese, French, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, Thai, and Indonesian. Back in the main settings, we also have a flip option, factory reset, software upgrade, auto sleep, OSD timer, window zoom, and version info. Then there's the keystone correction, which works surprisingly well. As you can see, it's adjusting the image perfectly. Now I've connected my laptop to test both the color performance and the built-in speaker. Colors are vibrant, text is sharp, and even small letters are perfectly readable. For the best experience, you can set the resolution to 1080p. Right now, the projection size is about 60 inches, which is already big enough for most setups. If you'd like to get this projector, I'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like, so I can keep making content like this for you. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay tuned. More tech reviews are coming soon.